All right, guys, this is kind of a long one, but bear with me. There's a ton of good footage. The first half of it is all like the action mudding, and the second half is all the bloopers and recoveries, which are kind of my favorite. But a lot of people came out for Memorial Day, had a lot of fun at the main mud holes. Um, Not too much stuff broke, which is great. But people didn't really go crazy and hit the middle holes like they did last time, so we might have to get some more incentive for that at the next get together. That thing is tough. So I put the footage of Michael's X3 at the front here because he definitely won the event. He was the only person to make it through any of the holes in the middle. The thing is badass, and the coolest thing about it is it's all custom built. Oh, water over the front. Look at the bow wave. Too much traffic. Almost damn near water really. Whoever's starting them off, dude. They're revved up now. Has some balance. You're just floating it. Yeah, it's a Honda. The whole point of that front bumper is to support the upper control arm. He's got links welded all over it. That thing's sick. Oh! Sounds healthy. Oh yeah, 4-link.
I like his 180 light bar.
That's not. You need a snorkel, bud. So I kind of skipped back to the beginning of the day here. So I was the first one to go through all these holes. These watery holes around the like circumference of the mudding area weren't that bad. They might have been a little bit worse than the last bounty hole because everything kind of had time to settle, but Pioneer made it through that loop I like to do. This is kind of around the other side. No problem. This was a little stickier than last time. Some of the side-by-sides went through this. I really didn't see any of the trucks go through here. Most of the big trucks were kind of scared of the middle area this time.
Oh my god, ew, something's in my foot.
Here we go. Your boy needs some Aztecs. Yeah, this spot right here was actually pretty sticky. I got stuck here, Shane got stuck here. Towards the end of the day, it got washed out and you could make it through it, but it was really thick in the beginning of the day. Despite all the water on top of it, the mud at the bottom was still very nasty. This guy made it through. So this part of the video is all the bloopers and people getting stuck. Look how easy he came out there. I barely had to pull on him. So he was basically just floating too much. I think we need to put some water in them tires, LOL.
What?
So this thing was actually pretty stuck, and it didn't really help that we were pulling it one way and that tire wasn't pulling. That's because these Pioneer 500s are three-wheel drive until you do the torque locker.
I think he's got a pretty bumper truck.
Oh yeah. That's the wrong angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big truck pulling a foiler out, usually pretty dangerous. So we went around and winched him out because that was going to probably rip his front bumper off. I was able to hunt around and go through some of the middle holes like this that's hitting him from the side, but I didn't attempt anything out there because last time my radiator got so muddy it overheated all night. But he was the first one to hit this hole. Shane gets stuck in it, and then that's the hole Michael made it through earlier in the video.
That's gonna hurt.
Yeah, so the Hondas definitely did most of the mudding at this event. Hate to say it, but me and Shane hit more holes than everyone else combined. We also got stuck more than everyone else combined, but hey, at least we tried.
On the road, baby.
Fucking rip.
This guy was doing good, but then you realize right here that he hit the hole in two-wheel drive and waited a little too long to put it in four-wheel drive because the back was already dug in. It just shows you how there's really no bottom here. Even with those big tires and all that ground clearance, this thing was pretty stuck.
Mm.
It looks like his speaker box floated up.
Mine's still out.